Do you remember me?
Yes.
Thank you. We met before. And you have a YouTube channel,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I already subscribed your YouTube channel.
Yeah, thank you. I know I saw my video.
Really?
Yes. Are you recording me right now?
Yeah. If I record a video with you, are you agree?
I didn't like that, but it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, thank you. But do you know I'm making English conversational videos for foreigner and share my platform, I mean YouTube.
Yeah, but can I say one thing really quick? When you do make them videos, you could you could either gain or lose respect by either letting them know that you're recording them, because some people really get upset about that, and they would want to know that they're being recorded.
And if is in this video, if I want to upload my YouTube channel, you have any issue?
Oh no, that's fine. I mean, just like if you would have told me last time, like I would have did my hair. Like look at my hair. I got like I'm sweating and my hair is freezing off. Like I mean, I really don't like that to be shown, but that's fine. I don't care. I mean, but I'm saying like if you would have gave me a heads up, like I'm gonna call you or like tomorrow I'm gonna record you, like no, get ready, instead of looking like a bum. I feel like I look like a slob. Like that was embarrassing that you posted me like that. But it's okay.
I'm really
No, you're fine. It's okay.
I know you are a very kind heart person, so you.
Yeah, that's fine. I just know a lot more people would probably be upset because I know I was, but I just don't want anybody, being angry towards you or anything. That's just why I said this real quick.
So how have you been?
Good. I'm all right. Just chilling.
You're doing party?
Oh, no. I'm just sitting here listening to music.
Not now. Before, when you are free or you spend your weekend, how you spend?
My weekend?
Yeah.
I sat home. I've been home all month.
Why? You have to go outside and traveling some beautiful places if you like.
I know, but I don't have my car right now. And it's too hot to go take my kids outside. That's why I don't even bother. So.
Oh, do you have kids? How many?
Two.
Two. Okay. They are good. Health is good.
Yeah.
Can you share something about your country? What happening now? Any viral issue?
Do you know about anything going on in this country? Do you know anything?
I want to know from you.
Okay, well, can I share after you? Because I am really interested in what you have to say, because I'm just like, what's going on in the world right now is just, I don't even have anything to say about it for real, but I have a lot to say. But I'm really more interested to see what you have to say about it before I let you know what I know.
And why are you not upload video on your YouTube channel?
I don't know what to upload. I don't know.
I will teach you how to upload and how to make videos. Okay?
No way! Thank you, Allie. I'm so excited. I never did it before. I don't know what you have a lot of videos.
Yeah, I have. I'm making videos every day.
That's cool.
And I'm also told you I'm a English learner. My English is not very good, but I'm trying to how to improve. And also you can
You're doing a good job.
share some tips how can improve very fast. What is the easy and workable?
Actually, I think the funnest way to learn English would probably be to read the Bible.
Okay. And how many languages do you speak? How many?
I speak one, just English only.
But I can speak 4 languages.
You can?
Yeah, English and my native Bengali, Urdu and Hindi. Urdu and Hindi, very language. I can 4 languages. You never
That's
try to
cool.
speak other language?
Lately I've been trying to learn Japanese.
It's very hard.
It seems easy.
Why you try to learn Japanese? What is the reason?
I really love their people. I love how they love their people and they love their land and they're so kind and I'm fascinated with Japan. So I really want to go there one day. Oh my gosh, actually they have free flights from the US to Japan right now. And I'm so mad that I can't take advantage of that right now, but hopefully I can before the end of this year. Maybe next year, maybe for my 30th. Yeah, Japan, I just love those people.
You love Japanese people, right? And which quality fascinate you?
Maybe their respect.
You meet ever any special friend from Japan?
No.
How you know?
I only hear stories and I see like videos of them showing their kindness in ways that nobody else would. I know that they're different most people.
Do you know that Japanese people are very industrious?
What's that mean?
It's a,
Industrious?
yeah, it means hard worker.
Oh, so are Mexicans. That's probably why I like them.
Yeah, they are very, very hard worker. Do you like hard work?
I bet. Hard work? I don't mind it. I wouldn't avoid it though. Yeah, I guess I do.
In my country, no one. They are want to very easy life.
Me too.
Yeah, easy. Everyone want to easy life, but Japanese people are very hard worker person. They are very industrious and they are very serious about work.
In life itself, I feel like.
You want to go there, right?
Yes.
Do you,
I would love to go there.
do you have any plan?
No.
Not yet.
Actually, I went to school. He was Chinese or Asian. No. I have an Asian friend that I went to school with. We're still friends.
You mentioned earlier you read Bible, right?
Yeah.
You practice, you read Bible every day or sometime?
Sometimes. But I've been trying to read it every day because I think about it every single day. Like there's not a day that goes by, there's not a minute that goes by anymore that I don't think about it. Like I wake up with it on my mind, I go to bed with it on my mind, and I think about it all day long in everything that I do. So I've been trying to read it more because I feel like it's calling me, but I don't trust the Bible because I feel like it's fabricated. I feel like the Bible is messed up. But I try to like find real scripture that was like taken away from us. I'm more interested in scripture that we're not allowed to read.
Okay.